Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I'm going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble a Kimber Special Edition Pro Tactical. It's like a small 1911, and here we go. Let's get right into it. Make sure it's clear, the magazine is out, nothing in the chamber. So you want to take the slide back to this semicircle cutout. Not the slide stop, but there's like a semicircle cutout there. Press on the other side. I'll show you in a second. Come on, baby. There, okay. Pressing with my finger on that little button right there, which is part of this. Just press on the other side. Get something that's not going to damage the gun. Press again. Take some pressure off of it. Pop that out. Now the slide wants to go forward, so ease it forward. Don't depress this grip safety. There, okay, sorry about that. Ease it forward, pull the slide off the front. Now, here's the different part. You see this hole right here? And it comes with a pin. If you lost the pin, you can maybe use a safety clip, a paper clip, but it's really skinny. Press forward and depress that spring. Oh, baby. I gotta let it go. Huh. That's a tough one. Let's try again. Press forward until the hole shows. There's the hole. Stick that pin in the hole. Now you've captured the spring. You've taken the tension off of it. Whew. Take this whole assembly out. You can do that now because there's the bushing. You've locked it up with that little tool. Then slide this link down and take the barrel out the front. So this guide rod comes out the back, the barrel comes out the front. And that's about it. I'm not showing you how to clean it. Now I'm going to show you how to put it back together. So the barrel goes in, the link has to be down. The barrel goes in. Guide rod from the back. That's as far as it'll go, all right? I hope this is coming out okay on the camera. Let me just check my camera for a minute. I think so. I'll shoot it over again if I'm blocking too much. Move the link so that the hole is open. First thing, I'm sorry. First, you've got to let the spring loose. All right. Move the link forward so that the hole is open. put the slide back on. Now you're looking down that hole. You want to see where, I'm looking down the hole. You want to see where that hole lines up. From the left side, put that slide lock pin back in. Now you've got to rack the slide back and line it up with that hole again, that semicircle. It's not a hole, it's a semicircle cut. Make sure you keep your hand off the safety on the grip. All right, this little pin here, sometimes it's easier to come from the bottom like that. So that little pin pushes into the slide lock. So let's try that again. There. Okay. So okay, that's how you do it. Disassembly, reassembly. Hope that came out on the video. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notification. Be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.